Lily, I was hoping you could help me with something. Of course. What do you need help with? I have a job interview tomorrow morning, and I'm really nervous.
That's exciting. Why are you so worried?
I don't usually do well in interviews. I get scared and forget what to say.
That's normal. Interviews can feel stressful, but you can prepare.
I'm afraid they'll ask me questions I won't know how to answer.
First, go online and read the company's website. Learn about their business and values.
That makes sense. What else should I do?
Practice answering common questions, like, tell me about yourself, and why do you want this job?
That's a good idea.
Also, choose your clothes tonight and arrive at least 10 minutes early.
I didn't think about that.
And remember, smile, speak clearly, and be confident. They want to know who you are.
Thank you, Lily. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. You'll do great. Just believe in yourself.
Jack, thank you for coming today to help me prepare for my interview. I'm so nervous. What should I do first when I meet the interviewer?
Start with small talk. Smile and greet the interviewer politely.
So I can say, "Good morning, nice to meet you"?
Exactly. Or you can talk about the weather. Don't stay silent or look too nervous.
What about, "Tell me about yourself"?
Keep it short. Talk about your experience, skills, and goals. Don't tell your whole life story.
If they ask, "How did you hear about this position"?
Be honest. You can say, I saw it online and was interested.
And what attracted you to our company?
Say something positive about the company. Don't say, I just need a job or I just need money.
What about my greatest strength?
Choose one strength, like communication or teamwork, and give an example.
And my greatest weakness?
Mention a real weakness, but explain how you are improving it.
What if they ask about a setback?
Tell them about a difficult situation, how you stayed positive, and what you learned.
Thanks, Jack. I feel ready now.
Great. Be confident and just be yourself.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Olivia. I am 21 years old and a college student. I study education.
Why do you want to work at the restaurant?
I want to earn money for school and gain work experience.
Do you have any job experience?
I have not had a paid job yet, but I have some useful experience.
Can you tell me more?
At home, I help my parents with cooking, cleaning, and shopping. I also take care of my younger brother and sister.
What about school activities?
At college, I help organize student events and work with my classmates on group projects.
That sounds good. Have you done any volunteer work?
Yes, I volunteered at a community library and helped children read books.
Can you work after classes and on weekends?
Yes, I can. My schedule is flexible.
Why should we hire you?
I am friendly, hardworking, and I enjoy helping people. I learn quickly and work well with others.
Thank you. We will contact you soon.
Thank you for the opportunity.
That concludes my part of the interview, Olivia. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Peter. I do have a few questions.
Of course. What would you like to know?
First, is this a new position at the company?
Yes, it is. We created this position recently because our team is growing.
I see. If you hire me, when would you like me to start?
We hope to hire someone by the end of this month, so the start date would likely be early next month.
That sounds good. Are there certain times of the year that are busier than others?
Yes, definitely. The summer months are our busiest season because we have many customers then.
Okay, good to know. I'm still in college, so does it matter if I take night classes?
Not at all. This job only requires daytime hours, so night classes should not be a problem.
That's great. Will there be training for new employees?
Yes, we provide training during your first 2 weeks.
And is there an opportunity to work more hours during school breaks?
Yes, many students work extra hours during holidays and summer vacation.
That sounds perfect. I have no more questions. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome, Olivia. We'll contact you soon.